Okay, I'm going to try to show you how to get to your page. So this is my regular Facebook page. Over here on the side it says Your Pages and Profiles. So I'm going to use my Oklahoma Renaissance page. I click on it. It opens it up. And then if I scroll down here, it has settings. Click the settings. Okay. Then scroll down again. Click the page roles. And then right here it will tell you who owns the page, who are the admins. Like I have me and 3 other people that are adminning this page. We have a lot of people on it. To add people, assign a new role. Okay. So if we want to add a person, right here we can say assign a new role, put the person's email in, and add them. And that's how you add people to your Facebook page. Okay? If you have questions, just ask.